Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the trending video, and this is dance video.
Yes, and this time this is Arman Rathod dance.
Yes.
So his video got viral in TikTok, and also not only in TikTok but also in Facebook, in
Yes.
YouTube also as
Yes.
well.
Lot
So
of
yesterday
in
only
social
we
media platform
saw.
and
Yes.
people started sharing this kind of video.
They have shared a lot, and
Yes.
this video is going viral now. So yesterday we saw in Facebook
Few
only
moves.
few of the moves and few of the dance skills of this
Yes.
person, and we thought, okay, that's amazing, because
Yeah,
we
right.
also previously also we gave our reaction on Baba Jackson, and that was like
That was amazing.
amazing.
And
Okay,
he
so
has performed outstanding.
now he has got chance in
Yes.
Bollywood, I think, as well. We have gotten a
Yes.
lot of videos
lot
also.
of the Bollywood actors
Yeah.
he danced also.
Yes,
And
Varun Dhawan sir was there. Then I think Prabhu Deva was there. We have
yes, right.
seen that video also.
And also this time we need to make this guy also famous.
Yes, we need to,
Yes.
because
He
he
is
is
also
super
true
talented. We will now see together, and we
Yes.
will give our reaction on the video.
Yes.
So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So chalo, let's get started.
Okay. Wow.
ट्रिगर दबाया और खेल खलास।
Oof.
Wow.
Fun.
With it, drop.
Wow.
He's amazing, right?
Body is full flexible.
Wow. His expression is super.
He's a born dancer, no? His
yes.
body flexibility and everything shows that.
Oh,
Wow.
Dharmesh.
Ah. Iconic. Classical also. Wow.
Super.
Wow.
Really. चल छैया छैया.
He's doing better than Shah Rukh Khan. Wow. Okay. Contemporary. Wow.
मेरे बच्चों, मेरे बच्चे, मैंने तुमसे कहा था, रणभूमि में युद्ध हो उससे पहले मनोभूमि में खेला जाता है। चले जब तू लटक मटक लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक ससे जाए
गेंदापुर.
अटक आता माझी सटक सटक बम तेरा को देखा है कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे
Nice. Ritik.
Okay. Oh, super man.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow. Well synced between the leg and the body, right? बहुत अच्छा.
Oof. Nice move, man.
Wow.
Oof. He's covering every type of song.
Every type of song. Correct. This is slow.
Yeah.
Every type of song.
इश्क की तलाश है फना जिस्म मुझे देके मिट्टी का शीशे सा दिल क्यों बनाया और उस पे दिया फितरत के वो करता है
Good concept also. This got too much viral. This dance only.
This one, we saw this one only, I think. One dance only.
His moves is super flawless, man.
Wow. Wow. Perfect shot. This one. Exactly same.
Wow.
Wow. There is only
Just he is giving expression. Wow. Like the collage. Wow.
wow.
Wow, that was awesome. And
he's looking
Ritik
like
sir, you gotta see this also.
You have to, Ritik sir, because
Yes.
he's super talented, and on this kind of ground where a lot of stones
yes.
and all there,
On the-
his movements
yeah,
were
right.
like very smooth.
Flawless.
So you think on the stage where the the
Aag
floor
laga
will be
dega.
smooth, he will do much much
Yes,
more
right.
better than this.
That's true.
आग लगा देगा really, and उसका जो thought
And expression with every
expressions
song.
and
I think
everything.
most of the song,
He was looking
whatever
like a
he has
born
done,
dancer.
most of the dances he did, I think
Yeah.
he had done on the same day because he was wearing same cloth.
Same
we
clothes
can
and
say
same,
that.
same pants.
And also,
So that is
we
very
can feel
difficult
like,
to
yes,
think all of
he's
the
also
steps.
some poor guy. I think he is some worker or something kind of.
I think
we
he's a
can
labor,
feel,
maybe.
feel like.
Yes.
But
He's
yes,
originally from, I think, Gujarat, na? Gujarat.
Valad, something it was written.
And one more thing I noticed that the movements which he was doing, it was like full on perfection level, right? And each and every steps he was doing, his leg movements and the waist movement, hands and everything, that was like smooth like butter.
Yes.
And it was not looking like that he has done a lot of pressure or he has done a lot of struggle. It was doing like
Flawlessly. you can say, yeah.
like
Right.
a butter, I'm saying. Okay.
Actually,
So,
I don't have
super
much knowledge about
talented.
dance and all, and
Yeah.
based upon whatever we see on a regular days, regular based on
TV,
TVs or
yeah.
anything on any shows, was
Yeah.
based upon those things only. This dance is really good.
Really
He
good
should
means
also
it
get
is like
a chance
awesome.
also.
Yes, I think Dharmesh sir, it has some touch of Hrithik Roshan ji also, a little bit of touch of Dharmesh sir
Actually,
also.
he did every kind of
Every
dance,
kind of
like
dance,
classical
contemporary,
dance,
classical,
contemporary,
what
everything.
not. Yes, that day we saw that mostly that is the
Baba Jackson,
moonwalk,
yes.
moonwalk and Michael Jackson wala
Right.
movement, and this one is completely like the
Full
Indian
package, you can say.
Indian Bollywood dance,
Indian
contemporary
Western also you
dance,
can say.
Western, classical, which not. Like this one is like far better than whichever we have
Yes.
seen that day, because that was like limited. This is like endless, unlimited. So we really enjoyed it, and this kind of guy should get a chance.
Yeah, of
Really,
course.
really. Please share this video as much as you can so that this kind of talent can be seen.
Yes, right. We request you,
yeah.
please share this video or any video of this guy
Yeah.
across the world, you can say.
Arman
And,
Rathod, right?
Yes.
Superb, you sir. If you are seeing our videos, we are extremely proud of you, and you are
Yes.
a born dancer.
Right.
Soon you will get chance. Okay.
Yes,
कुछ
I think
नहीं
so.
अटक सकता, मतलब होगा ही होगा. You will get chance.
Yeah,
okay,
right.
for sure in Bollywood or
Yes, sure.
in any film industry.
And people started liking him a lot nowadays.
Yes,
I think
nowadays.
as few actors also, they are also spreading their love towards him. Yes.
Actually, in Facebook also, yesterday also we saw, right? Each and every post was containing this guy only.
Right. We have seen a lot of the
Lot
news
of the news
channels
channels
also. They are
also.
also spreading this news.
Yeah, I think Hindustan Times and Times of India.
Hindustan Times I have seen, and then the Republic also I have seen.
Okay.
They are also spreading it.
Yes, we are extremely proud of him, and we are like amazed. We don't have much words to express also what
Yes.
to say, because we are extremely like our eyes are like dhanya ho gaye hum really
And
we
in
are
this
very
video,
happy.
I think people has
Enjoyed
seen
a lot.
very limited kind of
Yeah.
videos of him, and I think in this video it consists around 5 minutes of
5
all
minutes
his
of all
dance
his
mashup.
dance mashups. So this video we enjoyed a lot, okay, and I hope that you will also enjoy this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so now this is the time to read the comments for
Yes.
today. So the first comment for today's video is from Manohar Mann, and he's commenting on 7 Om Arivu official trailer. He's writing title means 7th sense.
Okay.
Okay, that means
7 Om.
it is about the current situation of coronavirus.
Okay, so
Oh.
it's representing same kind of situation
Virus.
in that movie.
That guy is spreading virus and
Yeah,
all.
something
People
like
have
that,
told
yes.
actually. So okay. So that must be a interesting
Yes.
topic to
So,
see.
Yes,
Right.
we are going to watch this
We are
movie.
going to watch this movie for sure, and thank you so much Manohar Mann for watching and for commenting. So the second comment for today's video is from Manivannan S, and he's commenting on Pokkiri interval fight scene.
Yes.
He's writing, dear brother and sister, your reaction was nice and genuine and not overreacted. That's good. But also try to review any one social reaction about APJ Abdul Kalam sir, and also any nature issues. Because you are young to the society, your social activities reaction, it is very good example for us. So many youth and youths may follow messages what you suggested to the society, because the way you both reacted to the video is natural, because people love that. Weekly once just do that. Any social message reaction, I'm very big fan of Vijay Anna. Try to give reaction for Ajit Billa 1 transformation scene.
Yes,
So
that's a great
that is
suggestion
a
you
great
have given
suggestion,
us.
man, and thank you so much Mani Vannan Ace for suggesting this thing. If you remember previously also we have done this kind of video where President Kovind has given Nari Shakti Award on the
Yes, on
International
International
Women's
Day.
Day.
Yeah.
That video was like truly a blessing, social activities
Awareness,
or
you can
awareness
say.
you can say to the society.
Yes.
So that kind of video we have already done, but not that much.
Yes,
That is
right.
for sure, because we are mainly focusing on the movies and scene reactions, trailer reactions. But yeah, that is a very
That
good
is a very
suggestion,
good
and
suggestion.
we will definitely do that.
Yeah.
Because whatever you told,
That's a that's a true
each
thing,
and everything is like correct. That
yes.
we are young stars of the society, and what we say that will give impact
At least
on the
give
society.
a little bit 1% or 0.5% also impact. That is great for
We'll be
us.
happy for that.
Yes.
And definitely you are going to see that.
Yeah.
Seriously, you are a very good person. By your message only it shows.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching and for commenting.
So the third and the last comment for today is from Bala BK. He is saying that 7th sense, one China man comes to India and injects a virus in dog, and that dog is spread it to man. Just like corona, it is spread all over the city, and Surya, who is from old Bodhidharm's family, will be put into research to bring back Bodhidharm's DNA and fight this virus and that China man. Okay. So that's a really great
Yeah.
concept we can see. Yes.
Yes.
And China is always spreading virus. Seriously.
Seriously, man.
This movie got released in 2011 or 12. During
long
that time
ago,
also,
that
long
time
ago,
also.
people thought about this kind, and now it's happening.
People know actually how China is and what kind of behavior China doing
Right.
every time.
So, from beginning only China is like
China
that
is
only.
the culprit. So yes, the concept was very good.
Yeah.
Actually, this concept is looking like very promising, and we are going to see this movie and give
Yes.
our reaction for sure, because this kind of concept is very unique and very fun to watch.
And also,
Okay?
it will be a great honor for us to know about
Yeah.
Bodhidharmas.
Both of
Yeah.
them, yes. So thank you so much Bala BK for watching and for commenting on our videos. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos in a regular basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, stay home, stay safe. Okay, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends, family, and pretty much everywhere, because
Yes.
this kind of talent needs to be recognized.
Of course.
That's why we are telling. See you in our next video again. Till then, bye.
Bye.